ForwardX Robotics, ASUS leading provider of vision-based AMRs, has successfully deployed 435 autonomous mobile robots at Chery's Dalian facility, marking one of the largest and most advanced AMR implementations in the global automotive industry. This is a major brownfield project that modernizes an existing factory rather than building a new one. As most global OEMs shift from greenfield builds to legacy factory upgrades, this marks a key benchmark for scalable, non-disruptive automation in established environments. Before automation, the facility faced challenges in optimizing material storage efficiency. With ForwardX AMRs in place, Chery now operates with standardized 5S compliant material storage, supporting a rolling 2H safety stock model. This not only eliminates stockouts and inventory errors, but also significantly reduces excess inventory and improves outbound accuracy. In terms of labor efficiency, the results are substantial: 30 fewer workers required for every shift, all achieved while maintaining full production throughput. Despite the scale of the deployment, the rollout of 435 AMRs was completed without disrupting ongoing production, a testament to ForwardX's deep integration capabilities and robust project execution. The fleet includes 195 Flex AMRs, enabling agile warehouse automation and timely part delivery, 226 Max AMRs, covering long-distance material movement and line-side replenishment, Lynx U1000 towing AMRs, integrated with Chery's SPS system for cross-workshop logistics. In the final assembly workshop, AMRs support 2 high-speed lines, where a new vehicle is completed every 100 seconds. In the welding workshop, they precisely deliver stamped parts and move assemblies between robotic work cells. By digitizing and automating material flows within this legacy automotive plant, ForwardX sets a new standard for brownfield transformation. Now with 435 AMRs running around the clock, Chery's Dalian site has achieved the largest AMR deployment in the history of the automotive industry, setting a global benchmark for smart factory transformation.